I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study UWorld Step 2. Start by setting a daily question target and scheduling timed blocks to build stamina. Track missed concepts in a dedicated notebook and tag them for spaced review. Balance new questions with targeted review sessions and practice NBME-style blocks. Use active recall and brief, spaced repetition to convert mistakes into long-term knowledge for exam day. Begin each question by predicting the diagnosis or next step before viewing options to avoid option bias. Time yourself during blocks to simulate exam conditions and improve speed. After each block, review every incorrect and flagged question and write a short reasoning note for why the correct answer fits. Convert recurring errors into a focused study list and schedule them into weekly review sessions to track improvement. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during study marathons with the UWorld water bottle, which seals well and fits most cup holders for long shifts of questions and review. It even makes timed block sessions feel a bit more manageable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After practice, prioritize UWorld explanations and annotate your notes with concise takeaways you can review daily. Turn key facts into flashcards and review them with spaced repetition to cement weak areas. Schedule full-length, timed exams regularly to measure progress and adjust your study plan based on scores and missed topics. Stay flexible and refine tactics as you identify patterns in mistakes and endurance during longer blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.